Yes, I have already started my Christmas shopping. It's October, I know. I came across these adorable 5-in-1 construction set truck the other day on my FYP. And right now, on flash sale, they're only $9.99. In 2 days, they're going to go up to their original price of $19.99. It is a 5-in-1 set, and yes, it does make the sounds. Inside, it holds 4 additional little trucks that are perfect for small hands. It is aimed for toddlers 3 and older. If construction is not your thing, they have a police officer one as well. I actually do not have a child that's young enough to play with these, but because of the price and how good of quality they are, I went ahead and ordered one so that I could donate it to our local charity here that donates Christmas gifts to kids in need. I'm going to put them in the cart below for you to check out on your own, but like I said, you only have 2 days until they go back up to their original price. I'm actually going to go now and order the fire truck set. Bye, y'all.